Most traders are addicted to the noise. They think that by staring at the screen for 10 hours, they are somehow forcing the market to obey. They call it hard work. I call it a cage. Pause. They've made trading their life instead of making trading a tool for their life. If your eyes are red from candles and your heart races with every tick, you aren't a master. You're a servant to the algorithm. My slogan has always been, what money actually reveals about a person. And right now, the screen reveals your level of internal order. Chaos on the chart reflects chaos in the mind. If you need 20 indicators and 5 news feeds to make a decision, you're just looking for an excuse to gamble. Pause. True professional trading is boring. It's clinical. It's 1 hour of intense focus versus 10 hours of anxious hoping. The market moves regardless of how hard you stare at the pixels. It doesn't care about your presence. So why stay? I set my trap, I define my risk, and then I disappear. Pause. Because the most profitable thing you can do after placing a trade is to go live a life worth winning for. If you can't walk away, you're not trading capital. You're trading your freedom. Trading should be an addition to your life, not the other way around. 1 hour at the monitor with a clear head is worth more than a week of scrolling through Telegram signals. The goal isn't to be right every minute. The goal is to be free every day. Control your involvement, or the market will control you.